nebhakabhaka liwinile iPirates. Club esupport abafundisi. Club esebhayibhelini. Wamemeza uHezekiya ethi Hlanga wamemeza ethi matha well, asithathe izwi ke siyeke indaba ePirates ayizukufaka ezulwini ayizukufaka esihogweni ukuthi nje iklabhu ene rhythm uRalhulela support iPirates, the late Chris Hani support iPirates, Tokyo Sekhwale iPirates, Nelson Mandela phela iPirates iklabhu endala iChiefs ndiyamanje. 1937 it was originated.